Look, pull up in that new drop. New work in my new spot. 2 shots of that blue dot. Ferragamo with the ooh-wop. I'm ballin' like, little nigga, I be ballin' like, I'm on the point Chris Paulin. And we crutching the game like, that president's got me popping this shit. Fuck what it costs cause I'm dropping the mid. Buy out the mall and I'll hop in the whip cause these niggas ain't ballin', they copping the 5th. Cuban link matching the watch on my wrist. Gotta show out cause they watching the kid. They talking money, I'm not with the shit. Spending this money so cocky and shit. Cause these niggas wanna throw shade cause I'm ballin'. Alright, so I would say like what inspired me to start rapping was my brother had a studio in his basement. We was young though, his friends used to come over, so I used to sit down there and watch him, you know what I'm saying, learn. And I just started hearing like different, the way people rhyme, the way people told stories, the way they flows and the metaphors they use, so that inspired me to start getting into music and to get into rapping. I would say the artist right now, I gotta say Meek, even though he's taking a couple L's. I gotta say Meek, cause he made it to the bottom, like, so now he could brag about what he got, cause he done made it from nothing to something. So like I just feel like he like supported the struggle, like J. Cole. I gotta say people like Kendrick, Lil Wayne, still my favorite artist ever, besides Jay-Z, but that's about it.
Let's get it, let's get it. I done came out the gutter, made my way through the trenches, in the front of that courtroom, looking back at the benches. First they threw me some offers, then they gave me a sentence. After months of them bars, I finally walked out of them fences. I remember days getting hit on the visits. Now I'm screaming free my niggas cause your boy about to get it. Fuck pulling the stash out for me to cash out. I couldn't deal with being broke, so I went the cash route. Niggas don't like me, some niggas are not. But as long as that work right, them niggas gon' cop. Just watch how a nigga move, don't chop if he hot. Then double up and drop and stash half in the pot. It's 2 type of ciphers, one for sours, one for spitting. I be in the kitchen, I be dishing like I'm pippin'. You can catch me whipping, stick shipping when I'm dipping. And half my niggas whipping, so it's hard to catch you slipping. I'm still with my day one, so the block the same. I caught a case and got a year and I'm locked in chains. I held my own, I ain't never drop a name. Niggas think snitching is cool, shit a lot done changed. When we cock and aim, niggas know it's not a game. Probably knock and chop a bang whenever I go pop the game. I'd rather chop and swing than swerve and cop a chain. That's the difference between us, nigga, we not the same. Crazy how it's a different day, but the same shit. Y'all can say what y'all want, but Chico ain't switch. Same crew, same squad, same clique. So I'ma leave with the same niggas I came with. When I ain't have it, I ain't asked for no handout. Now that I got it, everybody got their hands out. Fuck what you heard, I'm the next out of youngest nigga. I'ma turn my back, cause I'm a youngest nigga. Heard these niggas sleeping on me, Guess it's time to wake them up.
Yeah.
Born to be hated, coming soon.
Born to be hated, man, it's coming. You already know. It's Chico.
And what do you think makes a great MC?
If you could paint a picture with your music, if you would give people visuals of the stuff that's coming out your mouth and the words that you're saying, I feel like that makes you a better MC. Like, I feel like you're not just saying anything. I feel like you got a little content to your rap, so it'll make it a little more better and people more understand it more and they can relate to your music more. That's it. Niggas sneak dissing, but I'm used to all the hating now. They done put the man in, so I'm moving like I'm Peyton now. I ain't trying to see the day I see my mother breaking down. Now I'm at the point where I got no choice but to make it now. You get no love where I'm from if you ain't born there. Niggas can't catch up, they stolen in the wrong gear. I'm about to blow up like Osama put the bomb here. I hit the booth for fun, I'm in the booth cause I belong here. So y'all can show me the comp, they be the next to die. The way my niggas pull up, you would think we exercise. I'm going hard cause the grave my only deadline. They say the good die young while the rest is doing fed time. I'm trying to see what the deal is all about. Never let a nigga ever take a meal out my mouth. I gotta show y'all what I do to these niggas, make my presence felt even in a room full of niggas. And my niggas still down, you can tell them that. Some went the good way and some went through hell and back. Some left the hood and some stayed and they selling crack. We smoking loud, they blowing on that Helen Keller pack. It's like a deli if my niggas don't see the dough. For cheese and beef, we going ham on a pita roll. Back then it's all in the family if your family mattered. Now we move the white through Steve like it's family matters. Every month is madness, not just the final fours, levels to this shit, and all my niggas on the final board. We on another level, now I'm in a new bracket. Yonkers on my back like the stitches on my true jackets. I refuse to be broke and be a stool pigeon. As a youngin', I was getting money up in school pitching. So why y'all dudes listen when all of these fools spitting? You gotta keep your circle tight, that's why my crew different. We get it back, hustle hard, get it back. Niggas saying Chico, the new era like a fitted cap. Flow crazy, I can spit shit backwards. Back with shit spit, can I still sound accurate? Shit, yeah. Gang shit. BBG, ENT,